Welcome to the future of music creation. Soundful is an AI powered music generator that's transforming the way content creators provide music. With its innovative technology, Soundful is democratizing music production, making it available to everyone, regardless to their musical background or expertise. So, in order to use Soundful, first of all, go to the browser that you prefer. In the search bar, search for Soundful. Go to the first site that you see right here. After that, click on Start for free. Make sure that you log in with your email ID. So, after you have logged into Soundful with your email, you will be led to this page right here. In the right side, you can see the genres, the collection, the loops, the global tracks, right? You can also create your own track. For example, let me show you creating my own track on social media. I'm going to scroll down. I'll click to euphoric. After that, I'll click on create. Now, after I do so, I can also choose my own track or just click on create a preview. Now my track has been created. Now what I can do is just click on save right here, give a name to my track, click on save again, and after that, the track is going to be saved in my library right here. In the left section, click on it. After that, you can see the track Euphoria right here. After I do so, I'll click on get in order to have it downloaded. Click on render and download. First of all, they'll ask for you to verify your email through which you have logged into Soundful. So make sure that you go to your email ID and verify your email address for Soundful. After you have done that, the track you're about to download is ready to be downloaded. After a few moments, you'll have the track downloaded. Now, in order to create effects and ambience, instrument loops, or drum loops, you might need to subscribe to Soundful. You can also search for genres right here, hip hop, EDM, or if you want anything besides these, here's the search bar right here. Just click on it and then search for the genre that you'd like to play. You can choose the one that does not have the premium icon, for example, this one. Simply click on play right here, and then you can click on create preview again. And after that, you can see that my preview for the track has been created. You can simply go to save again, go to my library, click on get, and then this track can be downloaded as well. Now the track is available in your download section right here. I had downloaded this before, so here's the track. It might take a bit of time to download though. So just play around with this music generating AI and I'm pretty sure you'll get used to it. It is extremely user friendly and such an empowering tool for all types of users. The platform is cloud based, ensuring easy access and seamless operations. Soundful uses AI to generate unique music tracks, offering a vast array of customization options. The platform delivers professional grade music indistinguishable from tracks produced by human musicians. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. And with subscription plans starting with just $7.99 per month, Soundful offers exceptional value for money. For those who want the full ownership of their tracks, Soundful offers the option to purchase the copyright, mastering, and publishing rights for $50. Soundful is ideal for content creators, musicians, and businesses of all sizes. Whether you are a YouTuber looking for unique background music, or musician seeking new creative tools, or a business in need of custom music for your marketing materials, Soundful has you covered. So that's it for today. Stay updated with AI. Thank you very much.